Discover what full-service broking can do for you with Sharekhan's daily 3R Research Actionable Update.
Hello everyone, welcome back to exciting 3R Actionable Stock Updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Let's start with an update on SRF Limited. Analyst maintains buy on SRF Limited with a revised price target of 10,600 rupees as continuous high capex intensity in fast-growing specialty chemical business, structural margin improvement in technical textile, and potential recovery in the refrigerants business would drive strong 23% PAT CAGR over FY21-24 estimates and ROE of 20.4%. We have increased our FY22-24 earnings estimate to factor strong growth outlook for specialty chemicals and higher margin profile for technical textile. The Indian fluorochemical market is expected to grow at 14% CAGR over calendar year 2025 estimates, which would support premium valuations. SRF trades at 30.4x its FY23 estimated EPS and 24.2x its FY24 estimated EPS. Next is VST Tillers and Tractors Limited. Analyst recommends VST Tillers and Tractors Limited with a positive view with price target of 3,244 rupees. VST Tillers is one of the leading power tiller and compact tractor manufacturers in India, with a dominant 54% market share in power tiller and 10% market share in four-wheel drive compact tractors. VST Tillers would be a key beneficiary of expected recovery in the rural economy, driven by the government's grounded initiatives for agriculture and farming sector, a strong kharif crop in the previous year, higher reservoir levels, and expectations of normal monsoon this year. The company aspires to be 3,000 crore rupees global brand in the diversified farm mechanization products and solution sector by FY 2025 from a revenue of 764 crore rupees in FY 21. Going forward, VST will be largely focused on increasing market share through product development in niche areas, increasing distribution network, and brand building exercises. Earnings are expected to grow strongly at 16% CAGR over FY21-23 estimates on a large base, led by a 23.3% revenue CAGR, partially offset by drop in EBITDA margin. The stock is trading below its historical average at PE multiple of around 16.4x and EV by EBITDA of 14.9x on its FY23 earnings estimates. The current valuations offer a good entry point for investors given a strong brand recall among small and marginal farmers, extensive rural network and strong balance sheet with a zero debt. So these were the 3R updates for today. Do like and subscribe to our podcast. Stay safe and healthy. For more detailed disclosures and disclaimers, please refer to our research report or contact our nearest branch. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and terms and conditions on sharekhan.com before investing.
Tune in again tomorrow for a new podcast on Sharekhan's 3R Research Actionable Update. Click on the subscribe button and never miss another update from Sharekhan. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.